We've been very impressed with the people at Artisan, their level of skill and competence with respect to data center operations. Being able to layer our software on top of infrastructure, we have very specific requirements, and they're able to meet those requirements and really provide that turnkey solution that our partners are looking for. As a software company, it's critical for us to be able to have the right partner to be able to do the infrastructure the right way. Because at the end of the day, we don't want to be in the infrastructure game. That's why we're partnering with a quality provider like Artisan. Independence IT has been in the virtual desktop game for a long time, actually since 1999 to be exact. We were a pioneer in the space, and in 2004 wrote our own software to provide applications to the desktop. And we've refined that quite a bit over the years, and today we're purely channel. We've had our own data center operations in the past, and it just takes a lot of time, a lot of energy, and quite frankly, focus away from our core business, which is our software. We've also partnered with other providers, and without dropping names, the real point of difference for us with Artisan is the people, and the fact that they're able to architect everything exactly the right way. And if there's ever an issue, we have extreme confidence that they're going to be able to solve the problem immediately. I think people in this business are absolutely critical. The right people to do business with, making sure they have the knowledge, skills, and abilities to actually perform the way they say they're going to perform. That is Artisan.